You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting expressions from Latin many are confused by. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In English, it's generally said as E Pluribus Unum. E Pluribus Unum, meaning out of many, one. If you want to make it sound more Latin, classical Latin, E Pluribus Unum. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. That's the motto of the US, motto of the United States, E Pluribus Unum. Unum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.